6300 Outdoor World, inspired by Xinwen Junyu, build a Tultipud, a growth utopia full of imagination and natural breath. Balance and coordination are subtly improved, and freedom to innovate. Enter the central courtyard. Is the enlightenment paradise of sterling babies. Explore and play in the treehouse expansion and discover the joy of growth. Look, a giant whale is leaping out of the sea and invites children to climb and slide on its belly. In the play, they bloom courage and imagination. The undulating mycorrhine and wooden expansion form an exploration paradise. Every step the children take contains unknown surprises and discoveries. In the sand area, children stack sand freely, guide the water flow, and let creativity flow freely with sand and water. In the breeding and planting areas, life education is happening naturally. Every corner here is a classroom for learning. Every game is an opportunity for growth. Let children grow up happily in nature.